Welcome back to the farm. Today we got to get this amaranth in the ground, and it's about 2 weeks past when it should have been put in the ground. That's why it's so big. It's going to suffer. Its roots aren't going to be big enough to support it, so we're going to have to make sure it gets watered a couple of times today, or a couple of times a day. It is going in late because life happens, and it's been super windy, and was hoping not to have to put it out in the wind, but all last week we had 30-40 mile an hour gusts. They're not as bad this week, but we still have a lot of wind. So let's get it in the ground. Let me show you what it's going to look like, because we already have some growing. You can see what the end product will be. All right, we got our plants, the row they're going in, and our knee pads. All the tools that are important. Let's show you real quick what they're going to turn into and look like. This is coral, amaranth, hot biscuit, more of a spike as opposed to a waterfall event. Sorry about that, there was a stake. And this is emerald with a seed that somehow got in the packet that's not like the rest of the emerald. And then the last one is red spike. So I'm planting the same four. This is a succession planting. We use this with sunflowers. To me, it's hard to find big enough items to put in sunflowers that are so huge. This is a good scale and add some other colors and textures to the arrangements when sunflowers are in there. All right, I get asked a lot what we're growing in. These are just soil blocks. And although these are a little overgrown, they still come apart fairly easy. Just gotta be careful when they're this big. And then we're going to bury these a little deeper than normal, try and give them a little support, and we will hope that the roots will grow over the next week or so and straighten them up. The smaller ones I have a little bit more hope for than some of these real tall ones. All right, we got them all watered in. We'll water them twice a day, give the roots a chance to establish. The plants are so big and the root ball is so small. Hopefully watering them often will give them a chance to develop their roots and support the plant that's attached to them. We'll come out in a couple of weeks and bring the camera and update you. Hopefully they look closer to what's behind them right now. Anyway, thanks for watching, and remember, live life in full bloom.